guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on today and do a project share with you. I created a tag flip for a private swap that I'm doing, and it's going to be with Bitty Penny, and I will link her channel down below. She is really great. She does a lot of cards, and she's really great at layering. So we decided to just do a Valentine's Day swap. It's going to be a tag flip, but there were no other rules. It was just a tag flip and anything goes. So I've been wanting to do one of these, and I'm really excited with how it turned out. I knew I wanted it super chunky. I knew I wanted a ton of texture in it. So you can see I'm just going to do a flip through of it here, but I wanted to start with all the different ribbons and trims up on the top. I've got, you know, reds and pinks and craft color, you know, natural brown, some gold, some twine. I've got some pom-pom trim here. So just love, first of all, the top. The chunkiness of the top is really fun. Okay, so first I have just a heart frame here. I was gifted that this year. I think they're from Michaels. I created this bubblegum shaker pocket. I cut out the shape of it from my Cricut. I used some acetate in the middle. I have some heart sequins in there from, let's see if I can get a better picture of it. Some heart sequins in there from Michaels. I glued some roses on. I just did some gold trim around it. So that was really cute. I like how that turned out. It was kind of a lot of fussy work, but I think it was worth it. It turned out cute. I just used a cut apart from a Valentine's Day collection to put some clothespins on, and these are, I think, Dollar Tree clothespins on there. I just have a little ephemera lock right there that I put on. I created just a little bag to put some red heart jimmies in, and then just did some cut aparts up there for the bag topper. I did a little library card pocket with some cut aparts and some stickers tucked in there. This is just a embellishment cluster that I made. I glued it to the front of it. Here is another frame from Michaels. This is just a red one. Here's a little washi tape sample that I included. This is just some vellum that I sewed together. This was in my stash, and I just tied some twine around a gold spoon that she can use to scoop the sequins up. I have a heart clothespin on there holding it on, and then that is filled with some red sequins, and then it's actually these, I think from Target last year or the year before, but it's just red hearts. And then I also included these from, this is AliExpress. I don't remember where I got these, but they are just little like polymer clay sequins. On a piece of acetate, I have these felt bows that I made. I had a video on how I created these just using items that I had in my stash. This is just a heart with a cutout on the front, this scrolly cutout. This was a gift in a Valentine swap that I did. And then I created this little flag on the top here that I glued on top of it. This is a tag that I put together, and I just spelled out some words on beads. And then I tied a piece of twine around the top and just strung the jump rings along there. So I made it a tag. I put the gold glitter on the bottom, put a little cut apart that says "Be My Valentine." And then I just created these with beads, like I said, that I had in my stash. I've sealed with a kiss, love, kiss, XOXO. I have the little red rose here. I love how those turned out. I think that's a super cute tag. This, I created another type of library pocket, and then I did a few more of these that I created. And I just have those tucked in there. These could be used as like bag toppers or just on a card. You know, she could glue them on the front of a card, put some ribbon through the hole right there. And then lastly, I took a box that I had. I think they were, I should put a little piece of washi right there to make sure that stays shut. But it's this from the Paper Studio. It had some like paperish type flowers in it, but it is dimensional. So I took the white piece out here. It just slides out the bottom, and I replaced it with just a piece of cardstock. I rolled some flowers and then glittered them up. I don't know if you can see that or not. So like I said, I punched them, rolled them, and glittered them. And then I just created this little cluster to go on the front. It's got a rosette, one of the frames, some chipboard pieces, this little puffy heart. I tied some string around the back here, and then I glued this butterfly to it that I had gotten it on clearance, I think from, Joann's. I'm looking at it right now. Yeah, Joann's, maybe back in, December or November, October. I don't know. I've had it for quite a long time. So I have that stuffed there. So that is it. Like I said, I love how chunky it is. I had so much fun making this. Definitely something I'd like to make again. Maybe for, the spring. I could do a spring collection or something, but I think that is super fun, and I hope she enjoys it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.